Hello, how are you? I am Bernardo Duran. I'm going to show you or explain my digital research that I have created. I'm going to explain start with the explanation of the teaching material. So this is the summer adventure. This is an American uh, summer adventure. So now teaching material. Explanation of the teaching material. This is a speaking activity. It is designed to improve speaking skills in English learning at the B1 level using American Standard traditions as a cultural context. It includes a user guide to detailing objectives of promoting pronunciation, expanding vocabulary, and gaining confidence when speaking about culture topics. It contains a description of key cultural elements such as barbecues and road trips to encourage immersion. The implementation instructions suggest the use of videos, audio recording, and voice recording tool for individual practice and self-assessment culminating in questions and answers sessions. Assessment suggestions are based on participation, the quality of voice recording, and a final project where students describe their own American summer adventure. It's complemented by additional research such as videos, voice recorder, and an interactive quiz in addition to slides that consistently present popular American summer activities. Okay. It's a collection of tools and guidelines for an interactive and culturally rich speaking activity focused on summer in the United States. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about what pedagogical approach. The material adopts a communicative, task-based pedagogical approach enriched by a strong immersive and cultural learning component. The communicative, its main objective is to enhance oral expression and speaking confidence, encouraging group interaction and active oral production. The task-based, students complete a series of practical tasks such as watching videos, recording their voice, self-assessment, and completing a final project that guides them to use the language in meaningful and intentional ways. The immersive and cultural, the American Summer context not only expands vocabulary and listening comprehension, but also promotes intercultural awareness by exposing students to authentic cultural elements. The student autonomy, the use of voice recording, tools for practice, and self-assessment fosters me- metacognition and independent learning. Now I'm going to talk about the cultural relevance. The cultural relevance of this material is very high as it offers a window into everyday American life by exploring summer traditions and activities. Students can better understand the American way of life, values, and customs. This knowledge is crucial of facilitate understanding of cultural reference in movies, TV shows, songs, and literature, which in turn enriches their enjoyment of English language content. Furthermore, it fosters intercultural competence by allowing students to understand how summer is celebrated and experienced in another country, promoting respect of cultural diversity. Wait a moment. Okay, let's put this slide. Okay, I show you the screen. This is a video that we have here. Okay, that video show the activities in summer. Okay, the materials also humanize language learning by connecting English to real and meaningful experience such as vacation, fun, family, and friends, making it less abstract. Finally, it prepares students for real-life interactions, gives them common conversation topics if they ever travel to the United States or interact with native speakers. Okay, now I'm going to talk about practice application. So this teaching material on the American Summer is structured in three interconnected phases. The introduction and presentation present typical vocabulary and activities through slides and videos, encouraging ground discussions and cultural comparison. In the individual practice and production phase, students use a voice recorder to describe activities and self-assess, improving their pronunciation and fluency. Finally, the interaction and consolidation phase includes a vocabulary quiz and a question and answer sessions, culminating in an individual oral project where each student narrates their own American Summer adventure. I'm going to show you my screen. I'm going to show you, okay, you can see here beach trips, summer camps, what you can find in this digital resource. Here you can recording the voice, the student voice. Just press here and you can go to another page where you can record. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about the assessment. Assessment will be carried out using three main methods. First one is discussion participation. The students active participation in group discussions, and the question answer session will be observed and recorded. The second one is voice recording. Students' voice recording will be reviewed with a focus on pronunciation, fluency, and appropriate use of relevant vocabulary. The third one is a final project. The final project, titled My American Summer Adventure, will be assessed based on creativity, the, rec- the core application of learning vocabulary and structure, and the overall coherence of the work. I'm going to continue showing you my cheetah research. This is the quiz part when they can improve their knowledge of the American Summer. Just press here, you can go to the quiz. So this is my research. So this is the assessment, and this is the rubric. Okay, that's all. That's it. Thank you so much.